Imagine plumping up your face naturally, without any invasive procedures. Sound good? Here's how. Start with hyaluronic acid. Found naturally in the body, it boosts hydration and plumpness. Next, vitamin C. It increases collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful. Third, retinol. It stimulates collagen and elastin production. Fourth, peptides. They signal your skin to produce more collagen. Moving on to ceramides. These lipids retain moisture, maintaining your skin's plumpness. Sixth, niacinamide. This vitamin improves skin elasticity. Next, green tea. It's packed with antioxidants that fight skin aging. Eighth, aloe vera. It's deeply hydrating and soothing. Ninth, rosehip oil. It's rich in essential fatty acids that hydrate and plump the skin. Finally, jojoba oil. It mimics your skin's natural oils, keeping it moisturized and plump. Remember, everyone's skin is unique. Always patch test new ingredients and consult your dermatologist when in doubt. Achieve a plump and youthful glow naturally.